Hello everyone, this is your host Prince Sharma, and we are back again with our council podcast. So, today we are with our new guest. They both are our head girls of our school. First is Devanshidi, and second is Aditi. So, let me introduce you to them.
Hello everyone, Devanshi Verma this side.
Hello everyone, Aditi this side.
So, moving up, let's start our podcast. So, my first question to you both is being so, how do manage the school council?
How we manage the school council, like first we are uh, events basically. So we are having many events. So we play like a huge role while managing those events. And
And we divide ourselves in a communities that you will manage this, I will manage this. So by this our work will handle up in a seconds
yeah, and
also.
like we are interacting with the our juniors on the daily basis, and she's like interacting with like juniors also, and I am like her senior, so no more, I am the senior only. So I am like interacting with my classmates because like they are comfortable with me, and like with the juniors, and like every students, like uh, if they are like facing any issues regarding anything
So
or
they are like that much feel free that they will come to us and just telling us, Didi, this happening with us. So we are solving their problems also.
yeah.
So,
So
what is the main role of council actually?
Our main role is that every person in every student should be in a discipline. They should know they will be active in the physical activities. They should be always participate in the events. Any we are going picnic, then also we are like encouraging the student, please come with us in a picnic.
yeah, like we are teaching them like to be confident at every like situation, and to be regular in the school on the daily basis, so that they can learn as much as like.
So, how do you manage that all these things to make sure that they are coming on time, they are
So
going.
like we are giving them a task. For example, like they are representing their thoughts in assembly time on the daily basis. So like this also uh, this is also making them to come in the school on the
Yeah,
daily basis.
because as we are giving them the task, tomorrow is you have to speak
Yeah,
something in assembly. So they have to be like, कल तो school जाना ही है. We have to speak in
yeah.
assembly.
And like we are coming up with different like physical activity games, so like this is also encouraging them, like for them like game is like, oh wow, we will have fun, and also
Everybody loves sports.
yeah. Everybody loves sports,
So,
so
basically, you motivates them up.
yeah,
And
we
Yes.
motivate them because like a student should have the you know uh, disposer of like everything, so they should learn
More things.
more things on the daily basis, like some it is not like totally there that they are like interested in that particular thing, but still like we try our best ki they will get exposure of like every particular thing. So mm, they are like learning some new things. And also yeah, like we are going like this only ki we are making them to give like some task, and so also like they are coming on that daily
Yes.
basis. And some like we are making some students as a CR, so CR has to be present in the class on the daily basis. And like subject coordinators also, so like subject coordinators also have to be present on the daily
And we
basis.
talk to them also, CR and all.
Yeah,
So we get the knowledge in the class what
yes.
is happening.
Uh, like best things is happening in our school is like we are having fruit break after the assembly, so we are
Yes.
making a coordinator of that particular thing also, like they are managing this fruit break thing. So this is also something we are teaching them ki like it is somewhere food related ki you know somewhere we are
Having
teaching
good
them.
diet even
Yeah,
in a school also,
yes.
because
So
some are having the sports in a first period also,
yeah,
and there are some students they are not even taking the breakfast from the home,
yeah,
and we those who are not even bring the fruit lunch, they are getting little bit like do 15 squats,
or
yeah,
push-ups.
five
yeah,
Basically,
push-ups,
yeah. So
these
like
kind of.
mm, our motive is not them to punish, but it is like they should learn like how to be
Have the good
just to
things
let
meals.
them
on.
have fruit
Yeah,
lunches.
just like they should be like very on time with their things, and like if we have said something, so it should be done. By this they are
Yes.
learning to be to be work on the time. So like for the future also we are making them ki sometimes it is okay to
Things should
listen.
be
Yeah,
in
So
a
basically,
on
all
time.
you have said, the summary is they should be motivated.
yeah,
They should know that
Discipline.
deadline means deadline.
yes,
So
Yes.
basically, you are training them for their
yeah,
futures.
yes, like they should be disciplined because like the school is something it is a route. So after the school life we have to go like in the college life also. So like we are making
Whatever
them,
we learn from school, that will help us in our future also.
yes, so
Because
like
the environment we are giving them, that is also matters.
It matters a lot actually because
Yes.
environment is everything that
yes,
makes
so
you.
yes, so if like they are learning from here only, so they will like not face many things in the future. So yes, our motive is this only. We have learned it from the school only, like how to be disciplined, how to be consistent. So yeah, we are teaching them what we have learned, then we are teaching them that only.
Yes.
So basically, we have talked here about council, whole
Yes,
council. So talking about individually.
yes,
So what are your
yeah,
rules?
individually we play like different role. We are having different
Yes.
communities
Even like
in.
if something new is coming, so we will also like figure out that what will the
Yeah, so
positive
that's
or
why like
negative
we have
point of.
make the different like communities in the council only. Like I am the senior head girl and
Junior.
she's the like junior head girl. So like I am like the senior only, so she's like my junior. So like she's managing up with the juniors and like I am with my classmates, because somewhere it is like this ki they are more comfortable with me, my classmates obviously, and like with
And it
like
will be like
juniors.
little bit somewhere that I am disrespecting
Yeah, so
senior, so that will
yes,
also.
yes.
So like moving up, what are like how to gather up students' opinion, their questions, and other things.
So
Like
basically we talk to them if like something new is coming, so we will just tell them first. We counsel point, we check the point of view of that thing. It will be positive to them, it will be negative to them. After that we talk to the students that what are your opinion to this
yeah,
thing.
like first we all council discuss with each other like it should be done or not, it should be good for them or not. Then like we are gathering them in the meeting, like for example we are having CR's meeting like
Month.
every month to know about the students, like is there any student who is facing any problem in the class, or
How the things are
So
yeah,
you
going.
take data
yes, so
on
like we
timely
are
basis.
Yes.
collecting data from everyone like CR's meeting and all. And like if we are having some event to go, like recently we had this like gala. So in the gala we had like it was like of 9 to 12, so we had like meeting with 9 to 12. So like we are getting exposure from them also, ki what they think like and what should be done. Like many students have given
uh,
their ideas also.
and is
So
there
yeah,
anything that you want to add in the event, then also we
yes,
took
yes.
their
So like
opinion in
every
it.
individual is having a right to speak over that particular topic, that it should be,
Yes.
done.
So like if we talk about this type of network you have made, so it is kind of very narrow actually, because at the very top you are there, then there are class CRs, then there are the what do you call it up?
Subject
Yes,
coordinators.
subject coordinators. So basically it is a very narrow network actually.
Yes.
So it helps you to basically run the classes smoothly.
Yeah, like we are connecting with each other like on the daily basis and with the
And it
CRs
is
on the,
also not possible that we are always in the everyone's class, we
yeah.
get the
So
things.
like we have made things in a way like the distributing like CRs to some duties
Subject
and subject
coordinators.
coordinators. So like we are having data from everyone, then we all like talk together on that particular
And it
topic.
will be little bit the thing that a person is not getting too much burden, we are
Yeah,
also not getting too much burden, CR is also not getting
yes,
burden.
so like we have
Subject.
divided the things in
Yes.
a way like nobody should like feel. And yeah, obviously we are not feeling like any burden at all, like we are enjoying it obviously. But still like everyone should like get the chance, nobody should be left. If like we were the only, so it is like somewhere not, possible to see all the things. So what we are doing is ki we are teaching them also how to be a leader, like in
And it
if
gives a kind of leadership
yeah, like CR is like after, like, see if council is not present, then CR is present there to help
Hmm.
them. So yes, like every individual is getting the chance to show them.
So through this, we can actually say that you are very good at your works. So like moving up. So you basically have your meetings, council
Yes.
meetings.
Yes.
So what are the points you put forward at that time?
So, like in the council meetings, what we are putting the things, like we are, if let's say we are having any event to come, so we, like, our hot topic is that particular event only. Like what should be done in the that event. We go for the, like, everything positive and negative also.
What
And
negative thing can go in that
yes,
event?
no,
What
so like
positive?
we are going with, like, everything, pros and cons, like what should be done and what should not be done, and what new can we add to that particular event. Like if let's say Diwali, so if we have done something at the last Diwali, but this time we have to go for something new. So yes, we are discussing on that also, and what reports like CRs has given, or like in council also, we have some like internal, disputes. So like we are solving that also. Like sometimes our thoughts like
Like
don't
collide
match.
also,
Yeah,
Yeah,
do
so
not
like
connect.
we discuss with that also.
because basically everybody is having different
Yeah, so
ideas.
like
Yes.
at that point we are listening every individual's
Point
point.
of view.
Yeah, so like it is
But
help.
at the end, we are having the best part.
Yes.
Yes. We just take the all of like what she want to said, what he want to said.
Yeah.
So we take the all of their point of view, then we think one.
Yes, like you know majority we can say, but we are listening to like every individual. But and it is not like this also, okay, we are not taking their ideas at all. We are like putting some inputs from there also. So like
Yes.
everyone thinks is done, and we are coming up with like our best.
So everybody is getting a chance to
Yes.
Yes.
represent their thoughts, right?
Yes, yes,
So like everyone is inspired from someone
yes.
to do something. So who inspired you most?
If talking about me, I inspired by her because when I was came in the ninth class, I was new in the school, so there was nothing. I don't have any CR
Nah, she's
post,
blessing me.
subject coordinator also. I don't have any post, and she is coming in our class and always shouting and always talking about discipline and all. And I was like, मेरे को तो इनके जैसा जरूर बनना है एक दिन. And she is the one who was shouting on me always. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मेरे ऊपर ही चिल्लाती है हमेशा आती है. तो मैंने मेरा ये था कि मेरे को भी इन्हीं के जैसा बनना है एक दिन. और फिर नाउ आई आल्सो लाइक हर, वी बोथ आर ऑन द सेम पोस्ट, हेड गर्ल.
So what about you?
It is like not a particular thing which inspired me to like become this. I have seen my like seniors, like they were like head girls, and also yeah, like I was also like yes, I have to also go for this. And
As we
this,
see, like most of council are inspired by their senior, because as we are working, so our juniors are also thinking one day they also want to be
yeah,
become like
Because
us.
basically seniors are role models for their
yes,
juniors.
Yes.
actually. So like many seniors was there, like who was like inspire me to like become this like head girl. So I also wanted ki I
Yeah, I
I
also
also
want to
want
be a.
something. Yes, I also want to be there.
So like everybody is having different type of doing things, different type of approaches. So what are your approach to deal with your daily works? Like how do you manage your daily schedule with this council
We
work
are
and all?
not like, we are always make our priority to be like at the first. If like our studies, like something is very important, like tomorrow is my test, so I will go for my test first, then I will go for like council work. Is the thing that we are done in the school. It is very rare that we are doing council work at our home. We are done our whole council work in the school. It is not like,
So basically there is not much pressure.
Uh, It was like never a pressure.
yes.
As I have said before, also like yeah, I am enjoying it because I am also learning somewhere some new things. If like see I am not able to do like few things, then by my mistake I am learning at that point. So it is not always like yeah I am always oh I am always correct or something. It is like this, that from my mistake also like I am learning, and I am also learning like new things. like how to manage the things and also like it was never a burden. Like I will
And we
always
get a
say this.
kind of respect from our
Yes,
junior
yes.
also. They
That
always
is
wish
also
good
a
morning,
great thing.
Didi,
Yes,
good
so
morning.
like it is somewhere also like somewhere we are meeting them outside the school, so the way they are like wishing like good morning, good afternoon, so somewhere it is like in front of our parents, so like our parents is also feeling proud ki our child is somewhere. So yes, it is
So like moving up, so what are the things, like you have said you are enjoying your work at a very good level, as it can be seen also. So what was the most memorable day you have ever came across?
memorable day was like recently. My memorable day was like this gala. Like gala
Why
was
so?
because in the gala, like the way we have made the setup, so it was like first time it like happened. The like that
Yeah,
setup was
it's
very
actually,
unique, and the way we have danced like so crazy. You guys can like even check on the our last
YouTube.
videos.
As we have uploaded it.
Yes, like the gala day, and like the way we have done that ramp walk and all, like, and we were watching like individually they are
And it
coming up with
was
like.
something that we came up with the new thing. It
Yeah,
happens
like
first time.
yes, gala is something that happened for the very first time. So yeah, like the dance part we have done, like it was so crazy. So yes, till now like gala is the so memorable, like one of the so
Yes.
memorable event from
And
this
in
like
every
council.
event, we just call the decorative
Yes,
from the
yeah,
outside.
yes.
But this
Yes,
time we
decoration
have
was also good
decided
at that
Yeah,
time.
that we
so
do it by our
yeah,
own.
because the things like we have made that popcorn and all, so it was like very creative. So
That
Yes,
will
that was
be.
looking very good actually.
yes,
So
so
basically, it gave you two things. Student got a way to show their creativity, and second, you have decorated also.
yes.
So can you tell us about something about your work, like rather than this event managing, student control, and about anything extra that you can actually give us that you want to share?
Anything extra, like if I tell my personal like experience, so uh, I am like learning the at every point I am learning like new things. So yes, like learning the new things and coming with the like uh, creative ideas, because like as we are giving them tasks, so we are also getting some tasks like we have to go for this, like for example gala only, so like in gala what creative we can go and what like extraordinary
New
we can.
things.
Yes, so like we have also research on that particular topic, so this is like making our mind in that creative way ki
What
how.
we can new thing we can
Yes,
come up with
yes,
in
what
our
new.
every event. We are thinking that what new
To
can come
bring
in
up new
this
things,
event.
right?
Yes, to
Yes.
bring up like some new things, new thoughts.
New experiments.
Yeah, new experiments. And if we are like doing some mistakes also, so it is so obvious that we are learning from our mistakes only. So yes, like if like something happened bad in the gala, so we have learned it that it happened
And
bad. So
there is one thing which is good. If something is bad happening, then also we did not like भी इनको पता ना चल जाए कि ये गलत है. We
yes,
are managing ourselves in a such a way
That is
किसी को
called
पता
proper
नहीं चलता कि
management.
यहाँ पे ये गड़बड़ भी हुई है.
yes, actually. So like from that only we are learning that something has gone bad this time, so for the next time we are like make sure that that thing should not be repeated. So
And
yes,
one thing we
That is
learn
actually a
is
good thing, learning
one
from your
thing we learn
mistakes.
is
yes,
that if something bad is happening, then we are managing it up in a such a way कि it is not look like a problem.
yeah.
It's just.
So like talking about experiences, so what you have learned through your experience?
So if I talk about my past experiences and if I talk about my current experiences, so I will say this only, like I have enjoyed this particular like journey of mine a lot, and I have learned uh, many new things now, like how to manage things on the time, how to manage multiple tasks at one time, and like how to like how to be creative in like every particular way. So like my experience was great because it is like up and down. So it is always not like this ki everyone is like appreciating and all. It is
Hmm.
like ki sometimes we are getting
demotivated
yeah,
also.
demotivated also ki, you know, this is going somewhere bad and all, but like, so if something bad has happened, even like I have learned from it. So like when I will be go out from like this my school life, so I will be a person like, you know, who is very motivated at a social work, for example, as like I am head girl, so I am speaking a lot in like in front of like
Events
every students,
also.
and in events also, like going for the anchoring, and also like somewhere the best thing I have learned is like I have no public speaking fear. So this is the best, you know, gift from this my journey I have like got, ki I have not no public fear, not public speaking fear at all. I can talk so freely, I can put my thoughts so freely. So yeah, this is,
So what about
And
you?
I had got such a like, first thing I was very irresponsible before entering in the
We know,
council.
we know.
So now I am getting day by day very much responsible, because as we as the pressure is also not the pressure, but as the new things are coming, as like for example, if something new is coming tomorrow, so I am like that much responsible. If something is new coming to me, so I am like manage it up in a like seconds and minutes. So I am like too much active for that thing also. Before I was like, how कैसे होंगी चीजें, but now I am like कि हो जाएगा, it is like
yeah,
okay.
because like sometimes we are getting the idea of that particular thing at that moment only, ki this will going to happen at the like some another day. So
Yes.
we should not be like person like, oh ये क्या हो गया, अब तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, and blah blah. So the
That thing is
calmness,
not in us.
yeah, so like that calmness has come ki like situations sometimes don't go in our hand, not go like the way we want,
Yes,
but
it is not always in your
And
hands.
Yes.
second thing is that now I learn how to make my point of view in front of anyone. Before I was like कि ये क्या सोचेगा इंसान, but now I'm
Yes.
like कि सोचने दो, मेरा thought उनके सामने जा रहा है,
Yes.
that
Now you can
matters.
represent your thoughts.
Yes.
It matters who I am.
Yes, though, so this experience has like made us like so confident while,
Make us fearless.
yes.
So like talking about qualities. So what do you think what are should be a council member should have such
The
qualities?
council-
Good in communication.
yes,
Disciplined.
and a person who like is in council, the person should be regular like in the school, because
Attendance
regularity like, you know, matters a lot. Because if you will be like, if you are like, for example, as she have said before, like she was getting inspired from me, so if I was not even coming, so how come like she was got like inspired by me? I was coming, I was showing my things, that's why like she got inspired by me. So like that is the thing, ki, you know, we should be regular in the schools, and we should like a quality should be is this, ki if some event is coming, so that particular student, you know, is not on the leave ki event ही तो है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है and all. So
Participation is most
yeah,
important.
Yes.
participation is
Even some are
important.
also thinking that in every event they are always the present.
Yes.
So like so as we have seen that you are very good at your work, you both. So what are the tips you want to give to our audience so that they can also attain such positions?
So I would like to say this only, that you should never feel like, you know, shy to put your thoughts in front
Yes,
of
what people
anybody.
will think,
Yeah,
what they
you
will-
should, you should like, you know, point.
Fearless.
Yes,
for
you
that.
should be fearless, and you should, you know, put your thoughts in a way कि कोई मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा, like you should not be a person कि कोई क्या सोचेगा, you should put that thought, because like you are like role model of some other person also, so that person is learning from you only. So you should be like you know, confident in a way कि everyone is like कि oh, like we should
ये
be a
इंसान तो
person
कभी
like
भी
this also.
like
Yeah.
सोचता नहीं
In
है कुछ
like
भी बोलने से
in
पहले.
any situation we should not be like this कि अब क्या होगा, कैसे होगा and all. We should be like confident at every point of our life. We should be responsible for our things. We should
We
be
should
consistent.
speak ourselves.
Yeah,
for-
we should speak ourselves.
So basically that was all for today. So we will be back with our new council podcast. So stay tuned and don't forget to check our other videos also. Thank you.
Bye.